Are you tired of kneading dough by hand or dealing with cheap mixers that stall out when the going gets tough? Today we are settling the debate on the best mid-priced mixers that actually deliver premium results without emptying your wallet. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly what I found, including which popular models completely failed my stress tests and which budget-friendly sleeper pick completely blew my mind. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which mixer belongs on your kitchen counter, and the number one spot might just surprise you. 7. CKemu SM-2549A. Right out of the box, the first thing I noticed about this mixer is its incredibly compact footprint. If you have a kitchen where counter space is at an absolute premium, the space-saving design of this stainless steel machine definitely catches the eye. It is lightweight, easy to tuck into a pantry, and comes with all the basic dishwasher-safe attachments you would expect, like a dough hook, whisk, and beater. When I first tested it with some simple tasks, like whipping up a small batch of heavy cream, the CKemu did an adequate job. The whisk attachment reached the bottom of the bowl reasonably well, and it managed to create stiff peaks in a decent amount of time. For a casual user who only bakes a boxed cake mix every few months, the initial performance might seem perfectly fine. However, things took a sharp turn when I decided to put it through a real stress test by mixing a standard batch of chocolate chip cookie dough. As the butter and sugar started to cream, the motor immediately began to sound like it was struggling. Once I added the flour, the mixer started visibly shaking on my countertop, and I actually had to keep a hand on the base to prevent it from walking off the edge. The build quality also leaves a lot to be desired when you get up close. While it markets itself as a stainless steel appliance, many of the internal and connecting components are made of lightweight plastic that feels brittle. When locking the tilt head into place, there is a noticeable wobble that never quite goes away, which makes the whole mixing process feel incredibly unstable. 6. Honinst stand mixer. The Honinst boasts a 10-speed tilt head design and a slightly more robust aesthetic than our previous entry. Unboxing this unit gave me a bit more hope, as it feels slightly heavier and sits a bit more firmly on the counter. The inclusion of 10 distinct speed settings suggests a level of precision that bakers usually look for when transitioning from folding ingredients to high-speed whipping. My first test with the Honinst involved making a basic vanilla buttercream. The machine handled the initial creaming of the butter relatively well, and the splatter guard did a decent job of keeping the powdered sugar inside the bowl where it belongs. The paddle attachment covers a good amount of surface area, which meant I didn't have to scrape down the sides quite as often as I feared. Unfortunately, the illusion of precision faded as soon as I started adjusting those 10 speeds. Instead of a smooth, gradual increase in power, the dial feels incredibly jerky. Moving from speed 2 to speed 3 resulted in a sudden, aggressive burst of speed that sent flour flying through the small opening in the pour shield during my next baking test. I then tried to push the Honinst with a batch of cinnamon roll dough, and the results were disappointing. While it didn't physically walk across the counter like the CKemu, the motor emitted a high-pitched whining sound that was genuinely unpleasant to listen to. After about 5 minutes of kneading, the housing around the motor became noticeably hot to the touch, which is a massive red flag for the long-term longevity of the appliance. While the Honinst stand mixer is a marginal step up in terms of bowl capacity and basic mixing capabilities, its glaring flaws hold it back. 5. CEBORY 3-in-1 Electric Stand Mixer. This is where we start to see a significant leap in both functionality and value. The CEBORY immediately stands out because it isn't just a stand mixer. It comes equipped with a built-in blender and a meat grinder attachment, transforming it into a versatile culinary center. I was initially skeptical of the 3-in-1 claim, as multi-purpose appliances often do several things poorly rather than one thing well. However, when I attached the blender pitcher and whipped up a morning smoothie, it crushed ice and frozen fruit with surprising ease. The meat grinder was equally impressive. I fed it chunks of chuck roast, and it produced perfectly ground beef for burgers without jamming or struggling. When returning to its primary function as a stand mixer, the CEBORY held its own remarkably well. I tested it with a dense pound cake batter, and the 10-speed motor provided a smooth, consistent mixing action. The planetary mixing rotation ensured that the paddle reached all the way down to the dimple in the bowl, leaving almost no unmixed butter or sugar behind. The build quality here is a noticeable upgrade from the lower tier options. Suction cups on the bottom of the base lock the machine firmly to the countertop, so even when I threw a moderate batch of pizza dough at it, the unit remained completely stationary. The motor sounds powerful and confident, humming along steadily rather than whining under pressure. For the price point, the CEBORY 3-in-1 offers incredible utility. It is an excellent choice for someone looking to consolidate their kitchen appliances without sacrificing the core performance of a dedicated stand mixer. It successfully balances power with versatility, earning its rightful place in the middle of our pack. 4. BABROUN SM-1507. If you are someone who regularly bakes for bake sales, large family gatherings, or just loves meal prepping, this machine is going to catch your attention. The standout feature here is the massive 8.45 quart stainless steel bowl, which dwarfs almost everything else in this mid-priced category. Testing this machine required me to scale up my recipes significantly. I decided to make a triple batch of my favorite focaccia bread, a task that would have overtopped the bowls of the previous mixers. The BABROUN handled the massive volume of flour and water with zero hesitation. The dual dough hook design is particularly brilliant, as it perfectly mimics the action of hand kneading, pulling and stretching the dough rather than just pushing it around the bowl. Despite its intimidating size, the SM-1507 is surprisingly user-friendly. The tilt head mechanism operates smoothly with the push of a sturdy lever, and attaching the large-scale accessories is intuitive. The splash guard is absolutely essential when working with this much volume, and I found it to be perfectly fitted and highly effective at keeping my kitchen clean. I was also deeply impressed by the motor's sheer torque. Even when tearing through 8 pounds of heavy bread dough, the mixer maintained a steady RPM and the base stayed completely cool to the touch. The heavy-duty internal gears clearly do a fantastic job of distributing power evenly, ensuring that the machine never feels overwhelmed by the task at hand. The BABROUN SM-1507 is a powerhouse that brings commercial-scale capacity into the home kitchen. While its large footprint means it will take up a significant amount of space on your counter, the trade-off is more than worth it for high-volume bakers. 3. KitchenAid KSM150PSCU. The moment you unbox a KitchenAid, you immediately understand the hype. The solid die-cast metal construction gives it a premium, heavy feel that exudes durability. I tested the Contour Silver version, and the flawless, glossy finish makes it a gorgeous statement piece that you will actually want to leave out on your counter. What makes the Artisan so special is its legendary planetary mixing action. I tested it with a highly delicate French macaron batter, which requires precision and careful aeration. The KitchenAid whisk attachment created the most beautiful, glossy meringue in record time. It hits 59 touch points per rotation, meaning it incorporates ingredients more thoroughly and efficiently than almost any other machine on the market. Another massive advantage of the KitchenAid ecosystem is the universal attachment hub on the front of the machine. I plugged in the pasta roller attachment during my testing, and the 325-watt motor effortlessly transformed the mixer into a motorized pasta machine. The sheer versatility of being able to buy dozens of attachments over time makes this not just a mixer, but an investment in your entire cooking hobby. When I tested it with a standard batch of sourdough bread, the tilt head locked securely in place and the dough hook went to work. The heavy base absorbed any vibrations, resulting in a quiet, smooth kneading process. The 5-quart bowl is the perfect sweet spot for standard household recipes, easily accommodating a 2-loaf batch of bread or 9 dozen cookies without splashing. The only reason the KitchenAid Artisan sits at number 3 instead of number 1 is that it can occasionally struggle with incredibly stiff, low hydration doughs compared to our top 2 contenders. 2. Cuisinart SM50BC. If you love the look and feel of a premium die-cast metal mixer but want slightly more power and capacity than the standard KitchenAid Artisan, this Cuisinart is an absolute revelation. Finished in a stunning brushed chrome, this machine looks incredibly sleek and professional. Right off the bat, I noticed the upgraded 500-watt motor, which provides a noticeable jump in raw power. I decided to test this by making a notoriously tough, dense bagel dough. Where lesser mixers would have stalled or overheated, the Cuisinart powered through the stiff dough with absolute authority. The motor didn't flinch, and the machine felt incredibly planted and secure on my workstation. The 5.5-quart polished stainless steel bowl features a very comfortable ergonomic handle, which made transferring heavy batters into baking pans incredibly easy. Cuisinart also includes a brilliantly designed splash guard with a very wide pour spout. When I was streaming hot sugar syrup into whipping egg whites for an Italian meringue, the wide spout allowed me to pour confidently without hitting the spinning whisk. The 12-speed dial is incredibly responsive and smooth. You can transition from a slow, gentle fold to a rapid, aggressive whip seamlessly. The slow start feature is also perfectly calibrated. It eases into the mixing process so gradually that I never experience the dreaded cloud of flour bursting out of the bowl. And even when I accidentally bump the dial up too quickly, the Cuisinart SM50BC punches way above its price point. It offers a heavier motor and a slightly larger capacity than its direct competitors, wrapping it all in a beautiful, durable metal chassis. KitchenAid KSM70SKXXBK. When it comes to finding the perfect balance of premium features, unstoppable power, and enduring reliability, this machine simply obliterates the competition. Unboxing this heavy-duty titan, you immediately feel the difference in the bowl lift design compared to the standard tilt head models. The bowl lift mechanism is a game changer for stability. By locking the massive 7-quart bowl onto the two sturdy arms and raising it into place, the bowl becomes entirely stationary. I tested this by mixing a massive batch of heavy, fruit-laden holiday fruitcake. Because the head doesn't tilt, there is absolutely zero wobble or bounce at the top of the machine, allowing the motor to transfer all of its energy directly into the mixing action. The motor inside this beast is engineered for heavy, continuous use. It features double the power of the standard artisan model, and it absolutely chewed through my toughest test, a double batch of stiff pretzel dough. The spiral dough hook plunged into the mixture, kneading it perfectly against the sides of the bowl without ever straining or slowing down. It was almost hypnotic to watch a machine handle such a grueling task with so little effort. Beyond its raw power, the 7-quart capacity is a dream come true. You can whip up to 3 pounds of mashed potatoes or 13 dozen cookies in a single batch. Despite the large size, the planetary action is still precise enough to whip a single egg white to stiff peaks, proving that you aren't sacrificing finesse for the sake of scale. The KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift is the ultimate mid-priced mixer. It bridges the gap between a home appliance and a piece of professional bakery equipment.